Hello friends, over time wheel bolts wear out a lot and can break. They differently need to be changed. I brought knee bolts and I will change it, all of them. Old bolts in their seats can make knocks that are very difficult to determine. Then they can break and the car will be left without a wheel. Therefore, the bolt must be checked. If there is not bolts, it will twist. And if the bolts are worn out, replace all of them. That's all guys. Subscribe to our channel, but like, and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel.